Hello guys, welcome to Budget Trend. My name is Tim Samuel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade USDT on CoinCola platform. If you don't know how to trade cryptocurrency on maybe P2P platform or on OTC market, which is over the counter, this video will teach you exactly how to do that without stress. So without much ado, let's get to the video. But before that, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I drop a new video just like this. So to get started, you must have received some crypto into the platform. So as you can see on my notification, this is the crypto I received inside my CoinCola wallet. So this is the crypto I'm going to be trading now, and I will be showing you exactly how I trade it for Naira. To trade your crypto, click on the CoinCola app. So once you open the CoinCola app, if you are a new user, you will need to register an account. But if you already registered an account, then just open the app and follow this step you are seeing on your screen right now. On the app interface, click on the P2P tab located under the screen. So once you get to the OTC marketplace, you will see some list of vendors listed on the page. So you just have to scroll and look for the one that has the price range of crypto that you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell between 20,000. The USDT you want to sell is worth 20,000. So you have to scroll and look for vendor that has a price range that can accept 20,000. So some vendors are there that that has higher price range, like their range may start from 50 to 100,000, some from 100 to 500,000. So if you enter those vendors DM, the trade will not go through because you are not within their price range. But when you scroll down and look for the vendor that is within your price range, you can seamlessly or easily enter a trade with them. So when you finally see a vendor within your price range, just click on sell to start the trade. So on the next page, you will need to enter the amount of USDT you want to trade. So the equivalent of the USDT will be calculated in Naira, and you will see the price you will receive in Naira. So once you are satisfied with this rate, just click on start trade. A chat page will open, and this is where the transaction will start. So on the chat page, just enter I, and the next thing, enter your account number and your account name. Just send it to the buyer. So the buyer will check your info and reply. So let's wait. Let's see how I and the buyer interrogated. So I send I, and the next thing that follow is my account number. I sent my account number to him. So I've sent my account number. So I'm waiting for the buyer to reply. So the buyer replied. So the buyer asked, are you ready? Are you active to receive coin? I mean, to release coin? And I said yes. So the buyer saw the yes and he went ahead to transfer the money. You will see the notification now. Meanwhile, while waiting for the buyer to transfer the fund, do not click on release USDT when you haven't confirmed payment. Do you understand? Even though the buyer marked the trade as sent, do not click on the release USDT until you confirm that the money has been received by your bank. Now, as you can see, I have gotten an alert from OP. Now let's confirm maybe it is the money or not. So that is it. The money has already been received. I received the money. So since I received the money, I will go to CoinCola to release the USDT to the buyer. Now I will click on release USDT, and I will verify my action through my fingerprint. So if you don't set fingerprint, you can verify your action through your password, your CoinCola password, and that. So once you release the USDT, the trade has been completed. So that's just it. So you can leave feedback to the buyer if the buyer is very fast and trusted and reliable, it doesn't stress you, you can give it a positive feedback, or you can give it a neutral, or you can give it a negative feedback depending on your experience while trading with the buyer. So I will leave a link in the description below. So the link will take you to where you can download the CoinCola app. It is available on the Play Store and on Apple App Store. But if you download the app using my link, you will get 100 USD whenever you trade. Whenever your trade is up to 100 USD on the platform. So I will also get a referral bonus as well. So that is it. Did you get value from this video? If you do get value, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.